Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. My name is Cynthia Ortiz and today we'll be focusing on subtracting from 10. Now before we get into the lesson, let's remember that add means to put parts together to make a whole. So I have part and part, I put them together, make a whole. Here I have 3 plus 2 equals 5. I take 3 and 2, put them together to make 5. Subtract means to take a part away from the whole. So I have a whole and I separate it into part. For example, 5 minus 2 equals 3. I have 5 and I separate it into 2 and 3. Very good. Okay, so let's go ahead and start finding the different ways to subtract from 10. Now, in order to do that, I'm going to fill in my first missing part with numbers 10 through 0. Those are the different ways to subtract from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and we will continue 5 through 0 in the next clip. 10 minus 10. So I am going to go ahead and use my tens frame to help me subtract. I have 10 counters in my tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 10 counters. Let's go ahead and cross off 10 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many counters do I have left? 0. Very good. 10 minus 10 equals 0. And if you remember, a number minus all of that number equals 0. Very good. 10 minus 9. I have 10 counters in my tens frame, and I'm going to go ahead and cross off the 9 that I am subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many counters do I have left in my tens frame? 1. Very good. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Very good. 10 minus 8. I have 10 counters in my tens frame. I'm going to go ahead and cross off the 8 that I am subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do I have left? 1, 2. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Nice work. 10 minus 7. I have 10 counters in my tens frame. Let's go ahead and cross off the 7 that we're subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Very good. 10 minus 6. I have 10 counters in my tens frame. Let's go ahead and cross off the 6 that we're subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Excellent. Okay, so we stopped at 10 minus 6. Now let's go ahead and start from 5 down to 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So these are the continued ways to subtract from 10. 10 minus 5. I have 10 counters in my tens frame. Let's go ahead and cross off 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 10 minus 4. I have 10 counters in my tens frame, and I'm going to cross off 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 10 minus 3. I have 10 counters in my tens frame. Let's go ahead and cross off the 3 that we are subtracting. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Good job. 10 minus 2. I have 10 counters in my tens frame. Let's go ahead and cross off the 2 that we're subtracting. 1, 2. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Great work. 10 minus 1. I have 10 counters in my tens frame. Let's go ahead and cross off the 1 that we're subtracting. 1. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 10 minus 0. I have 10 counters in my tens frame. Let's go ahead and cross off 0. Wait a minute. 0 means none, so we are not crossing anything off. How many counters do I still have? 10. Good. I still have 10 counters. And if you remember, a number minus 0 equals that number. Awesome job. Okay, so do you guys want to know why I love subtracting from 10? I love subtracting from 10 because I have 10 fingers to help me out. So, if I have 10 minus 7, I can just hold up all 10 fingers and put 7 down. Ready? 10 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers do I have left? 1, 2, 3. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Good job. 10 minus 5. So hold up your 10 fingers, put 5 down. Remember, 5 is a whole hand, so let's put a whole hand down. How many do I have left? Hey, I have another whole hand. That's 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Good job. 10 minus 4. Hold up your 10 fingers and let's go ahead and put 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many do I have left? 5, 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Good work. Okay, ready for our last problem? It says, Cami has 10 Skittles. She eats 2. How many does she have left? So let's start by circling what we already know. We know that Cami has how many Skittles at the beginning? 10. Good. She eats how many? 2. We want to know how many does she have left. So let's go ahead and subtract 10 minus 2. We know to subtract because left gives us that clue, right? So go ahead and hold up 10 fingers and let's put 2 down. 1, 2. How many do I have left? 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Very good. Okay guys, so that wraps up the lesson for today on subtracting from 10. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson and found it very useful. Don't forget that when subtracting from 10, it's so easy to use your fingers, okay? Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more learning videos. Bye guys!